Goeiemôre kinders. Good morning children. It's Friday and we are now going to do some Afrikaans. Do you remember in the back of your Afrikaans books we used to do begripstoets, which are little comprehensions like you do in English, except for these are in Afrikaans. I'm sure as soon as you see these and turn to the back of your books, your memory will be jogged and you will remember. First things first, let's look at some vocabulary. All right, so in the story, we've got a hond and we have a kar. Can you remember what those things are? There's also a kat in the story. So in the picture, what can you see? Can you see the kat on top of the kar? Right, so let's do some woordeskat, some vocabulary to remind us. As I said, daar is a kat is a cat. Sit, very easy, same as English, sit is sit. Kar, wat is a kar? A kar is a car. Groot, what is groot? Groot is big. And lastly, hond. Wat is a hond? A hond is a dog. All right, so those words will help you to understand the story. Let's go look. First things first, please grab your Afrikaans books en draai om bladsy 79. Wow, that's a big number. 79. Look at the top right-hand corner. You will see is page 79. So press pause, grab your Afrikaans book and turn to page 79. Okay, let's skryf die datum. The top of the page where my red arrow is, you need to write the date, 19 Junie. Be careful, there's one slight change to English June, and that is the I, inky ink, just before the E, to make Junie. We are on begripstoets 1.5. En hier is die storie. Here is the story. Die kat sit op die kar. Die groot hond is in die kar. Okay, so read that to yourself again, please. All right. Do you know what the story is about? Think about the words that we looked at, die woordeskat. Die kat. What is that? The cat. Sit op die kar. Sit, sits. Op, on, die kar, the car. So we've got a cat sitting on a car, just as you see in the picture in die prentjie. Next sentence. Die groot hond is in die kar. So die groot hond, the big dog, is in die kar, is in the car. Now here we can't see in the picture die groot hond in die kar. Maybe he's lying down. All right, so we've got our story. Now we are going to answer some questions about it. Question 1. Wat sit op die kar? So wat is what? So what sits on the car? Right, so op is an important word here, meaning on, not in, on. So what is on the car, boys and girls? Is it die kat of die hond? Now remember, we always answer in full sentences, whether we're doing an English or an Afrikaans begrips. So our sentence needs to say, something along the lines of die sit op die kar. So you need to fill in there. The what is sitting on the car? The cat, the dog, the mouse, the frog. You fill in. Die sit op die kar. And there's a punt, a full stop at the end of that sentence. Press pause while you write your answer. Number 2. Wat is in die kar? Alright, so wat is what is in. What is in die kar? The car. So what is inside it? Die is in die kar. Again, you need to fill in. What is it? The cat, the dog, the frog, the hen. What is in the car? Press pause and complete that sentence. Number 3. Waar is die hond? Waar, what does that mean? Where? Where is the dog? All right. So where is it? Is it outside, on top, inside, underneath? Where is the dog? Die hond is. So that says the dog is. Now you need to write where is it. Okay, use the story to help you. Die hond is in die kar, op die kar, langs die kar. Waar is dit? Press pause and finish number 3. And then at the bottom, number 4. Teken 'n hond op 'n kar. Now we've done this many times. Teken means draw. So teken 'n hond op 'n kar. So are we drawing a dog here or are we drawing a cat? Teken 'n hond op. Op is on a kar. So in the block, you're going to teken 'n hond op 'n kar. Baie goed. Dankie kinders. Enjoy your weekend. Tot ziens.